Is the MKBHD 251 worth the $189 US? Let's find out. What is up guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video, but I'm back after 4 months. I'm so sorry, I've been busy with schoolwork, work life and everything in between, but I'm back now and I'm here, as you can tell from the title, to deliver a very special video. Today we are going to be unboxing MKBHD's sneakers. Now, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, so hopefully I'm doing this right. And I haven't done a sneaker unboxing in a while. As you guys know, MKBHD is my favorite YouTuber of all time, my favorite tech YouTuber, and when he came out with his own sneaker, I was super excited and I immediately went to the Adams shop to purchase his sneaker. I'm really glad that MKBHD came out with his own sneaker and I'm super proud of everything he has done. So I'm gonna stop talking. Let's just unbox this thing. So as you can see, this is, I don't know if you can, let's wait for it to focus. Yeah, I have obviously blanked out my address, but yes, this did come from NYC, New York City, and I'm very excited to check this out. Okay, I believe that this is the first unboxing from Singapore. I know a bunch of creators have already had the shoe, but wow, this box is tight. Okay, here we go. So here is the box itself. Adams X MKBHD. So I'm quite disappointed that Marquez didn't give us the box that the creators got. Yeah, this is the box we get, which honestly I'm fine because this is a normal shoe box. So I've seen it in videos, but I haven't seen it in person yet. So let's do this unboxing experience together and let's see what's in the box. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have the paper. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Okay, we need to do a smell test first. Oh, they smell good. And this is the sneaker itself. So on the lateral side, you can see the NYC tag. Sorry, no, the medial side. This is the medial side. Yeah, so the medial side, you can see the NYC tag. And on the lateral side, you can see the 251. So 251 is actually MKBHD's first ever tech video. So yeah, that's super cool. You have the Adams logo right here as well. And the shoe does feel pretty nice. So obviously this is made out of 100% vegan materials. So it's definitely very environmentally friendly. Synthetic leather, canvas, and of course you have your anti-microbial coating copper lining, which prevents any smell that will enter the shoe. So this is great. So I am a size 9.5, and you can see on the tongue there's actually the size tag as well as Marquez's signature, which is beautiful. And at the back you can see there's MKBHD's logo and Adams logo as well. So that's one side of the shoe. Let's check out the other side. So this is the other side of the shoe or sneaker. So there it is. Same thing, we have the 251, and on the medial side you have the NYC tag, which is nice. So at the sole of the shoe you do have this kind of holes. I'm guessing this is to help with the traction So I haven't tested out the shoe yet, so I don't really know how the traction feels and the comfort of the shoe, but from initial reviews that I've read online, it seems to be a very comfortable shoe, so I'm very excited about that. So without further ado, let's jump to the on feet and then I'll explain some of the details of the shoe after I've tried it out for a few days. Alright, so I've worn the Adams MKBHD shoe for about a few hours right now, walking around the house, walking to get groceries, and I must say that they are pretty comfortable. Now before I get on with my review, I just want to show you the box. It does show the size tag, as you can see right here, so that's a pretty cool detail. But other than that, yeah, they are super comfortable. They're actually on feet right now, so yeah, they are a super comfortable pair of shoes, sneakers, whatever you want to call it. They are very nice. They are super light. That's one thing I forgot to mention. So in MKBHD's video, he did say that he wants the shoe to be as light as an NMD, about the same height as a Air Jordan 1, because it gained inspiration from it, and yes, it is about the same height. And I can confirm that the MKBHD Adams 251 is more comfortable than a pair of Jordan 1s because of the foam that Adams use, which is great. So I don't feel the ground as much. I feel more of the cushion that MKBHD and Adams have collaborated on. So this is a very comfortable pair of shoes. It does run a little bit narrower compared to the Air Jordan 1, but yeah, it's a very comfortable pair of shoes. It's about as breathable as a pair of Jordan 1s, so that's nice. And the materials used on these are not amazing, but not like poor quality as well. They are very good canvas material as well as the synthetic leather. So overall, I would say they are a very nice pair of sneakers. Obviously, I can't forget the elastic laces. These are super nice. It essentially acts as a slip-on for a pair of sneakers, which is amazing. So I can just pull tab, pull the tongue, and then it goes right into my foot, which is amazing. And then I just pull right out. So this is something that I hope more shoe brands use, the elastic pair of shoelaces. I think those are really cool, and I did not mention them in the initial unboxing. So overall, I do think that they are a very nice pair of shoes. It retails for $189 US. I paid $220 because of international shipping, but other than that, yeah, it's a very nice pair of shoes. A little bit on the pricier side, but yeah, it's a very nice pair of shoes. And also, I forgot to mention is the tongue does have Marquez's signature as well as the size for both men and women. So that's nice. Obviously, you have the NYC. You have the 251 on the lateral side, which is MKBHD's first ever tech video. And yeah, of course, the copper antimicrobial lining on the tongue, which does help to reduce odor in the shoe. And overall, I think it is nice. Oh, also one cool detail, as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but I'll show a video of it, is that the sock liner does actually have Adams on one side and MKBHD on the other side of the sneaker. So it's just a cool Easter egg that MKBHD thrown in to show that he did indeed created this shoe from the ground up. So he spent about 2 years trying to create this shoe, and I truly believe that he did spend every single period of his time perfecting his first shoe and collaboration with Adams. I'm very glad that MKBHD came out with his own shoe. I really like the shoe. There's nothing wrong with it, and I do hope that MKBHD does explore more colorways of the shoe and perhaps improve on the overall material. Maybe they can use a more breathable material. I'm not saying that this canvas is not breathable, but it could be more breathable, and maybe have another version for wider feet, because this does run a little bit narrow. However, other than that, I do think that this is a very comfortable pair of sneakers. If you do have $189 to shell out and you want to support a fellow creator like Marquez, I do think that you should definitely check the shoe out. It's a great pair of shoe and something that I'll definitely wear whenever I'm going out grocery shopping or just going out for a walk. I do think that you can even run in these because of how lightweight it is. But yeah, I've never seen a sneaker this lightweight and a high top at that. So kudos to Marquez, you really done well. And because of you, I've come out of my shell after 4 months and recorded a video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, do like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!